Thank you for coming, all of you. Okay. I have a little speech on behalf of all Guinean women in the UK. We, women of Guinea, demand justice and support from British High Commission and the international community. We have been beaten, raped, violated, and killed by the government of Dadis Camara. We demand a transition of power for a fair, pacific election for our future, the future of our children. We plead with the international community to intervene so that peace can reign in Guinea. No to Dadis, no to the CNDD, no to the military power, no to everything.
Thanks, our sister. Thanks very much, our sister Maimuna. So we are now going to proceed to the observation of 1 minute of silence in memory of our fallen brothers who were butchered by the CNDD and its members. Thank you very much.
Okay, so let's count 3 and we're gonna go. 1, 2, 3.
Maintenant, c'est notre frère, qui va s'adresser à la communauté guinéenne.